In the world of artificial intelligence, generative AI tools like ChatGPT present incredible opportunities. Their power, however, isn't locked away in ivory towers of technology or literature. It's accessible to everyone. Hi, I'm Forrest Johnson. I have several years' experience teaching comprehensive writing and rhetoric as a college instructor. My passion? Showcasing writing as one of the most versatile tools for you to use to translate your thoughts and ideas into impactful words on the page. I've gained valuable insights into effective communication for a wide range of audiences across mediums. So, in this course, I'll share amazing tips for prompt writing, a skill that will help you unlock the power of generative AI. You'll explore the underlying mechanics of how these AI models respond to prompts, helping you understand the why behind their outputs. With this knowledge, you'll gain the ability to write prompts that elicit precise, helpful, and meaningful responses. This isn't about becoming a tech guru or a master writer overnight. It's about unlocking a new tool that can streamline your work, enhance your creativity, and amplify your productivity. By the end of this journey together, you'll be able to integrate these generative AI tools seamlessly into your work life, making them allies in your pursuit of efficiency and innovation. Let's embark on this exciting journey. Let's speak the language of the future today.